Hi, my lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bronze Beauty Diaries. And I'm Rasika, and I'm back with yet another monthly emptied video wherein I share all the products that I have emptied out in the past month. In this case, it's gonna be July month's product empties up until mid August. So there's a mix of body care, skin care, hair care, some fragrance, makeup, etc. And I managed to empty out these many products. It's a huge और इसमें कुछ आ नहीं रहा तो फिर मैंने उसको बाहर भी रखा है. And as usual, I'm gonna let you guys know which products I'm willing to repurchase or I've already repurchased and which products I'm letting it go. Like I didn't like it and somehow I had to empty it, so I emptied it out and I'm not gonna repurchase. I make this video every single month. That motivates me to pick up more products, try out new viral launches for you guys, and in that process I also feel satisfied that I'm not hoarding items. You guys always love my product empties videos, so if you have missed out any previous months, then I'm gonna make sure to link it somewhere here so that you guys can go and check it out. And now without further ado, let's quickly get into it. I have so many products from skincare. First, talk about face wash. I finished 3 face washes. The first one is the Dot & Key Watermelon Refresh Gel Face Wash. This has vitamin C plus cucumber, and this I got it for free, and this is my second or third tube. I managed to finish this one as well. It's a very gentle face wash, and again, I'm not going to repurchase because I know some of the other parcel mein Dot & Key is going to send this face wash for free, clubbed with other orders. So I'm going to not repurchase this one, but it's a very beautiful, gentle, mild cleanser which does the job and it will suit all the skin type. Then I finished out another face wash. This is my OG Dermaco 2% salicylic acid face wash. I don't know how many tubes I've run out of. I'm gonna keep on repurchasing this one. This works so beautifully for especially oily, acne prone, sensitive skin. And salicylic acid is any which way is my best buddy. So I've already repurchased this one. I make sure to use it at least once a day or once in 2 days because it has actives and I don't like to use actives on a regular basis like every single time I do my skincare routine. So I really like it. I'm definitely going to repurchase this one. Then I traveled this month, so there I finished this one Dot & Key Sika Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash. This is a travel version, again freebie mila tha, to I carried this one and I finished it. Again, a very beautiful, gentle face wash. Does not have any fragrance. It has again salicylic acid and green tea. I may repurchase the full size because of very beautiful face wash. But I am currently hooked onto the barrier repair face wash from Dot & Key. So I am not really venturing into other ranges, but this is a very beautiful face wash again for acne prone sensitive skin people. Then let's move on to a moisturizer. I think I have only one moisturizer, and that too, this is not used by me. This is used by my sister. This is from the brand Niveda, and this is Renew My Radiance with Lotus and Water Lily. It says Cellular Regeneration Day Cream with SPF 30. If you guys have been following me for quite some time, received this moisturizer for my birthday month. Like Nykaa always sends a full size free gift whenever you have your birthday month. I really found it very thick, so I gave it to my sister because she belongs to a dry skin person, but she really didn't like it. First of all, it is heavy duty on fragrance, and there are a lot of flowers in this moisturizer, which I think has a lot of fragrance into it. And she said it's really comedogenic and it did not suit her sensitive skin type. Of course, she finished it because she's like me, she doesn't like to waste any product, but definitely she wouldn't recommend it, and I wouldn't recommend any of you to try out this particular moisturizer. And I finished one lip balm. This is from that Quad Earth Rhythm. There is a kit which has like 4 lip products. Usme se ek lip balm I finished it. I think I've already finished one lip balm from it. This is the lip serum, very beautiful lip balm. Actually, I would suggest anyone to get that Quad because it's super inexpensive. For a 4 lip product, you get a scrub and like 3 lip balms, and it really works. Like all the 4 products that I've tried out, all the 4 worked so beautifully on my dry chapped weather. I also traveled with it. It works so beautifully. It heals your lip mask जो उसका है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है. At offer when Earth Rhythm does buy one get one, you get it at a very steal price. This one one tub is for 5 gram, so you get 5 gram, 5 gram, 5 gram, 5 grams, like 20 gram in total. Really like this, and I would 100% recommend anyone if you want to try out. I personally wouldn't repurchase because I have a lot of lip balms going on right now, but given an option, if I didn't have any lip balm, probably I would repurchase. Then I finished two sunscreen. Both of them is from Formula RX. This one is the Hydra Shield Vitamin C Peptide Watery Gel Sunscreen, and this one is the Formula RX Sun Relief Semi Silk Sunscreen. Both the sunscreens review is up on the channel. I'm gonna link it icon button or in the description box below. Check it out. दोनों का मैंने detailed review करा है. This one will suit anyone who has dry skin type, and this one is for oily or combination skin type. But for this video, I'm not gonna repurchase. This one has some hormone disruptors, and this one is too heavily moisturizing for my liking. So both the sunscreens are actually pretty good. This one, the formula is so good. Just because it has some hormonal disruptors, I'm not going to repurchase. But both the sunscreens are really good, but provided you choose the correct sunscreen for your skin type. So yeah, I'm not going to repurchase both the sunscreens. Yeah, then I finished couple of pimple patches. It's bizarre. This one is from Urban Yoke Acne Pimple Patch. You guys know her video mein ye pimple patch mein dikhati hu. Definitely I have already repurchased. Then I finished two pimple patches from Miniso. This one is the Sika Calming Acne Pimple Patch, and this one is the Clear Acne Pimple Patch, prevents acne scarring. This one is really good. This one I really found it like useless. It didn't pretty much do anything for the scar as well. But this one is really good. It's like your normal hydrocolloid patches. This for 120 rupees for 36 patches. I would say it's pretty affordable than this one. So if you are in a Miniso, you can check this one out, the turquoise green color. You can skip this pink one. Then I finished one fragrance. This one is from Bath and Body Works. This is the Dark Kiss Body Mist, and I picked this one up at a very good offer, like I always do. Bath and Body Works always runs sales like once in a year or twice in a year, wherein they sell out all the products for $7.99. That's when I pick up Bath and Body Works Mist. It has a lot of berries in it, and it's a very sophisticated fragrance. It's not for a teenager or for summertime. This is for a nighttime, and it's a very mature fragrance. It has a lot of berries, and it's pretty decently long lasting on my clothes. Would I repurchase? Really don't generally gravitate towards so mature fragrances, but it did not trigger my headache. It's super long lasting, very good blend of fragrances. I really like it. I think it's dupe of some high-end perfume as well. The notes are black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot incense, dark vanilla bean, plum musk. So if you see, it's all intense and dark notes as well as the name suggests. Dark Kiss. If you guys are in lookout for such a fragrance at an affordable price, check this one out. It's pretty decent for a body mist because it lasts decent amount of time. So I'm not going to repurchase this one. While we are at fragrance, I finished three roll-ons. The first one is the Chemist at Play. This is the peach fragrance 5% AHA one. I like all the fragrance that I have tried out from this roll-on, the exfoliating one. This one is the peach one, and this was the only fragrance which I really didn't like it because I generally don't like fruity fragrance, and this peach was very overpowering and very synthetic. I really didn't like it. I like the woody one, I like the musk one, and I also like the aqua one, but this one I really didn't like it. I use exfoliating roll-ons like once or twice in a week, not more than that. Especially don't use it after shaving, but I'm not going to repurchase this one. Then my OG Nivea Protect and Care 0% alcohol roll-on. This one is a staple in every month's product empty. So this is something that I've already repurchased, and I'll continue repurchasing this. Then I finished my recent addition in my like body care routine. This one is from the Earth Rhythm. This is in the variant Cool Blue. So this one does not have any actives, and this one is very menthol and aqua fragrance. It is actually blue in color. I finished it completely. This one is not in a liquid form. It's in the gel roll-on form. I'm sure I'll like insert a picture somewhere. It's like a, what do you call it? It's like a stick right? But in a gel consistency. So it really gives so much of cooling sensation. I think I spoke about this in somewhere in my monthly favorites or so. This gives a cooling sensation and I really like it. I use it even post shaving and it does not irritate my underarms whatsoever. I've already repurchased this one and it's my recent addition. I think it's going to replace my Nivea one as well. It's 30 gram and the general roll-ons are for 20 for like 50 gram, right? But still this one lasts more than the 50 ml quantity. So an absolute thumbs up for this, and I'll definitely repurchase this one. While we are at body care, I finished the Venus Smooth Sensitive Gillette blade. This is the only blade that I keep reaching to. यही मुझे सूट करता है, does not give me any cuts, razor bumps or any sort of irritation. I really like this one over the purple one. तो ये हर महीने में एक razor change करती हूँ, दो blade एक razor ऐसा मैं change करती हूँ. So this one is my absolute staple and I'll definitely repurchase again over and over again. Finish this body Plum Body Loving का vanilla caramel body lotion. This is my all-time favorite. You guys know it smells so divine and I like to layer all my Gourmet perfume over this body lotion. But I have found a better alternative, which is the marshmallow melt one, and I've already repurchased that one on a buy one get one. So now I'm gonna press pause for this one. But if I ever feel like this fragrance, I'll definitely come back to this one. I think both the body lotion from Plum Body Loving is an absolute gem. Absolute yes, I would repurchase, but probably just not right now. Then I finished one Wishcare sunscreen body lotion. You guys know how much I like it. This is a very good body sunscreen that we have right now in the market at such an affordable price. Last decent amount of time, it's 200 ml or buy one get one pay. You get it at such a good offer. It's like MRP is 500, but 500 में आपको दो मिल जाएगा तो और क्या ही चाहिए. So an absolute repurchase. Then I finished one toothpaste. This is the Colgate Visible White Purple toothpaste. Actually, this is my second tube. I thought I'll use it consistently. Maybe I'll see any difference, but sadly, I did not see any difference. And the cap is always a problem in this. Ye second tube है मेरा, first tube में भी I face the same problem, so I'm not going to repurchase. Plus, it didn't do anything apart from a normal toothpaste what it would do. I've gone back to my old OG Colgate wala toothpaste. So this is slightly expensive as well. I don't think it's worth it. So you may skip it. Then I finished this Color Bar on the go nail lacquer remover wipes. This one is perfect for traveling since I get my gel nail polish done every month. Or because we eat with the hand, I personally like to eat with my hand. तो हाथ में हल्दी stains लग जाते हैं. To remove that, I carry these kind of wipes everywhere I go. Even for my Himalayan trek, I carry. I've used Zudio one, I've used Miniso one, I've used couple of affordable one. I think I used DIY one. Nothing beat the Color Bar one, and the Color Bar one also you get it buy one get one on Nykaa and all. बहुत inexpensive, works so good. This works on a normal nail paint also. Those nail polish remover wipes also work, but they work to remove my haldi stains. I don't think it works very nicely when it comes to removing the nail paint. Hope you guys are getting what I'm trying to say. This one is a pretty very good nail polish remover wipe, so definitely check this one out. A definite repurchase. Then let's move on to makeup. I have not a lot of makeup, a lot of lip products. So I have like 4 lip products, guys. I finished 4 lip products, so I'm entitled to buy 4 lip products. Right? The first one is from Mars Lip Drip Mist. This is in the shade Cocoa Drip. This is a lip tint, absolute love. None of the lip products I'm going to repurchase because we have so many new launches happening every single month. So मुझे मन नहीं करेगा, but this one is a very beautiful lip tint and you guys can see इसका pigment पूरा निकल चुका है. This is coming translating as a transparent one, but no, this was like a highly pigmented saturated lip tint which lasts decent amount of time. Once the gloss wears off, the pigment still remains and lasts pretty decent, like 4 hours plus for a lip tint. It suits a dusky skin population also. It was so pigmented that it used to show up on my two-tone lips as well. Definitely 100% recommended. Probably I would check out the other shade, but not this one particularly because this was like too bold brown for me. But I used to wear this to my gym every single day. That's how I managed to finish this one. Then we have Nykaa lipstick. This one is in the shade You Are Latte, a beautiful cool tone lipstick, I would definitely not repurchase this one because मुझे cool tone lipsticks पसंद नहीं है. Again, I wore this for my gym and I finished it. But it's a very beautiful formula. Like, it's very comfortable, lasts decent amount of time even when it transfers. It's very easy to reapply. You can check out the other shades, but this one is in the shade You Are Latte. It suits me very well, but I'm not gonna repurchase. Then I finished the Kio lip oil. This is a very beautiful pH lip oil, and I finished it, as you guys can see, and it worked pretty good, like in moisturizing my lip as well and giving a slight bit of tint. Would I repurchase? I won't, because I am not a fan of that pink, stark pink tint that all the pH lip oil gives. So for that reason, I am like done with pH lip oil. But this was a very beautiful hydrating formula. Loved it, and I picked up at an offer, so chal raha tha. Otherwise, it was a little expensive for a lip oil, but coming from a Kiro brand, of course. Then I finished my OG favorite Insight No Smudge lip cream or lipstick. This is the shade Jamaica, and I'm so sad that it's over. It's finished. You can see kuch. This shade can, I mean, I have so many lipsticks, but nothing came close to this shade. This shade looks so beautiful. It is pale brown, with lot of like warmth going on. It looks very light, but it does not wash me out. Every time I have traveled or every time I need to photograph myself, I always gravitated towards this lipstick. It's completely over. I scraped out everything, and it photographs so beautifully without lip liner. This is one lip formula as well, like, which is very comfortable, very long lasting, does not transfer. Probably I may repurchase this one because I have a lot of lipsticks, but ye color is not something that I don't have, and I'm not able to dupe it. So if I ever have that urge, I would definitely repurchase this one. Then finally, I finished this candle. This one is from Bath and Body Works. I picked up at a buy one, or I picked up it for a 799 rupees. This one is in the fragrance vanilla patchouli. Loved it. I mean, even it's a single wick, but patchouli and vanilla ka combination was so warm. And as you guys know, like, after the surgery, I was in a self care era wherein I used to lit my candles every day. The only con of Bath and Body Works ki ye idhar tak aake ruk jata hai, and then you cannot burn it. So this much quantity is left. Almost in every candles I need to, like, I let go of this much quantity. Otherwise, this quantity would go for another 2 months or so, but then you cannot burn it whatsoever. I tried everything, like pulling out the wick, like sharpening the wick, etc., etc., but it didn't work. But anyways, if you guys want such warm, cozy aroma which does not trigger your migraine, if you're a fan of vanilla and patchouli, check this one out, because patchouli kind of like makes that vanilla not too over sweet and overpowering, and this becomes a very cozy fragrance. So love this one. And yeah, and then I finished my P Safe panty liners as always. I've already repurchased this one, nothing new. You guys know I run out of one pack every single month. And this is Chemist Daily Dissolve Ultra Light Oil Gel Cleanser plant oil, and आपको दिख रहा है इसमें already product बचा है, but can you see how goopy it has become? I'm really actually embarrassed to show you guys. This was something I was using it. I am scared for my skin, but I'm letting it go because every time I've used it, it broke me out. It causes comedones because this is packed with oils, comedogenic oils rather. It also has, the first ingredient has coconut oil. Maybe a dry skin family can use it. इतना rave चल रहा है इसका, it actually that doesn't deserve that hype, and it's just overhyped in the internet. I even saw a girl using this with the cotton swab. This is an oil, you cannot use it with a cotton swab. You need to emulsify and like massage it into your skin, and when you massage it, it kind of gonna clog your pores. Oily skin people, acne skin person, who have clogged pore issues, combination skin types, stay away from this. I cannot vouch for a dry skin person, but why? Like, why would I put all those oil which is comedogenic? It also has SLS, Lauret 4, etc. Everything is comedogenic, so I'm letting it go. मैंने इतना भी use किया, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने क्यों use किया. It's not that expensive, but I am stingy that way. So I think that's about it. I'm super happy that I managed to finish so many products this month, which absolutely just motivates me to pick up more products and try out for you guys and review it for you guys. This sort of ritual that I do every month is just for you to understand that I just don't hoard products. If I buy and I recommend, I actually go through it. These are the products that I keep going back and forth and repurchase them. So that means I really love them. I If I recommend you guys something, it's something that I'm using up also, and here is the proof. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video throughout, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button if this is the first time you're stumbling upon my channel. And please like this video, guys, because if you guys don't like, if you guys don't engage or subscribe to my channel, my content is not pushed और बहुत ज़्यादा कम views आते हैं, and which kind of becomes little discouraging and disheartening. So if you guys want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, comment down something, and I shall see you in the next video. If you guys haven't watched the GG Pair full face review, go check it out. I'll link it in the end screen. I'm sure you will like it. Many of you guys wanted a review. That's the reason I did all the GG Bear products that I had on my face, and I've given you a full-blown review. Check that one video out, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.